guys, we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
$500 right now. Run this bitch. Run your mouth, not your car. You're slow. Got my car here. What's up?
I'm going hard as fuck.
I go like this every time.
Bad Daddy Braddy?
Bad Daddy Braddy's here with the fucking 240 ready to donkey dick you. You want this one right there on you? Where are we going? You're driving Fifth Street? Let's go. Right now. I'll fuck anything you got.
Nah, not today, Brad! Right, alright. Good. Obvious.
Wait, where are we at?
Where we at?
Yeah, what's it?
This is Harvest Performance. Huh? Or HMS, right?
Yeah, HMS.
HMS. Alright, so we came to HMS because my ditches might be really bad. So we're about to get in clean. So if they're not that bad, we can start with fresh injections with the map. Because I'm trying to make it to Virginia. messing with the FC. We're trying to get it to turn on correctly now basically without a spray and brake cleaner. So right now, since it's a Link ECU, I'm not familiar with it. And I've been trying to help people that are familiar with it. So right now we have Jimmy on the phone with Mike, so he can basically guide us through it. So we got Mike here. He's holding the computer down. And the boy over there trying to figure out rotaries. Because he's going to have to figure out if he wants a rotary engine in his car.
Alright, so I changed the overall scaler too, so we'll see if that does it.
Left, it needs left gas. Yeah, go down. Alright, that's pretty close there. Alright. Hey, Jimmy wants to see how the two-step is.
Not right now. Tomorrow we have a wideband. Let's put the wideband first.
No, it's got the charge pipe is off,
Yeah,
so
it's no
we'll do
charge
it.
pipe.
Yeah. We're
Hey,
at 45.
hey, boys, hold the fucking intercooler pipe on. Hold it on.
Yeah, it's running pretty good. Yeah, man.
2 hours later.
3
hours later, another battery in the trunk. We got a sleepy fucking Jimmy about to knock out.
I have a vlog right now. Can I call you out on your own camera?
Yeah, call him out. Call him
Call me
out.
out.
Yo, we spent what, an hour on here, and then you told me, oh yeah, I didn't put in any of my analog inputs or any of my inputs or outputs. The ECU was just blank.
Yeah, literally the car turned on were a miracle because it had nothing set up.
And no sensors. Like the ECU did not know what it was attached to.
Yeah, no map sensors, nothing.
Yeah, why are you two-stepping?
We've been trying to get it to turn on first.
Yo, why are you two-stepping without setting the timing yet?
Yeah, Jimmy.
These fucking guys.
Alright, so set the timing first.
Yeah, set
Then
the timing.
connect the wideband, make sure it works, and then do some two steps.
Yeah, we'll do those 2 steps after we set the timing.
Hey, don't worry, this engine can handle it.
Yeah.
It's strong.
Shake it engine, shake it engine.
Shit.
Yeah.
If we don't make it to Virginia though, you gotta come get me.
Yeah, I got you.
But Jimmy did his magic, and Mike, crank it now. Woo! Hey, Daddy, chill. All right, man. So we're gonna let you go to sleep. We gotta make sure we stop before our neighbors come out.
Oh shit! We dropped the phone. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
All right. Got the FC almost ready to go. I'm right now just messing with the map, and I figured out a really cool part of the map, which is why I literally chose Link ECU. That I have to show you guys. Call me a riser, but that's like the coolest shit ever. The reason why I love rotaries so much. Cannot wait to be in front of someone drifting and just literally just explode their fucking ears.